Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share. I have two projects to share with you guys using the Paige Evans Truly Grateful collection. As you guys know, if you're new here, I design for Paige Evans and I supply her with two projects a month. And here is my project for the end of August. And I made kind of like this little suitcase, and I think it turned out super cute. I will link down below the tutorial that I got for the suitcase, well, the one that I used to make the suitcase. But let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the top part, and it has this cute little handle, and then this one hers has like openings right here. This is what the lid looks like. I used one of the little buttons from the collection. These little layered butterflies are also Paige Evans cut files. I'll have those linked down below as well as the collection in case you guys want to pick it up. So I did the dark blue over here and over here. And then we have this pattern, which is going to be in the inside, as you'll show you in a little bit. And then we have plaid on this side and my little label. When you open it up, I tucked in there a bunch of goodies. And I'll show you what's in here. This is what the little suitcase looks like. So I used a ton of the papers from the collection. And that is the suitcase. You can stuff so much stuff in here. I just had a bunch of embellishments already made. So I did have these two little bag toppers that I put in there. I also have these flowers that were also made with a Paige Evans cut file that I'll have listed down below. I also made these little bag toppers using the collection. This is a doily cut file that Paige Evans has that I'll also list down below. We have these cute little rosettes. Another bag topper. Two more bag toppers right here. Just a little piece of, not a little piece, a little pack of ephemera. I think this is from the Home and Heart collection. Some bows packaged up. And then the little keychains that I had made with the felt in neon. And then one of the little book embellishments that I had made. So I just stuffed all that inside the suitcase because it fit very well. I'm still not sure who I'm going to send this to. I have an idea, but we shall see who this ends up going to. But you can definitely put so much inside of this. Definitely check out the video and the tutorial on how to make this cute little suitcase, because it's a perfect way to send a bunch of yummies to your pen pals. The next thing that I want to show you guys is this kind of like shadow box frame that I made using the collection as well. I made a large sized flower. There is some shake in there. There's some sequins. I had seen Pink Dragon, I think Love Pink Dragons. She had a frame that she had given in a swap, and it was beautiful, and I kind of wanted to play with the idea before I actually bought the frame. So I created this one, and I think it turned out so pretty. So I cannot wait to make the one with the actual frame that I'm gonna buy from Amazon. And yeah, you guys, so that's that project. And here's this one. I should be on the blog today, so definitely go check that out. I'll have that link down below. But these are the two projects that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know down below what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, you guys. Don't just stop by and watch. I would love for you to be part of the new family that we have going on here and join us as subscribers. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.